G'day folks, Uncle Knackers here. Now for years I've been posting DIY projects and DIY tips and tricks all over good old YouTube. But today I am doing neither of those because I've got some exciting news. No, I'm not pregnant, thank you very much, but I have been working on a project over the last couple of months that I think you will find very useful. You've probably heard me banging on about how I've been working on creating a circular saw masterclass. Well, I'm pleased to announce that it is here, it is live and ready to download. So who's this course for? I'm glad you asked. It's for anyone who uses a circular saw, from the nervous beginner just starting out to even the more experienced user who may just need a bit of a refresher course to gain their confidence back. The masterclass is jam-packed full of useful information, including video tutorials, valuable time-saving resources, project builds complete with plans, and a whole host of other bonuses. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good bonus? And they're all designed to help build up your confidence when using the circular saw. So why waste your time and learn the hard way? It's not necessary. Do yourself a favour and click on the link over there or down beneath this video in the description box to get you started on your journey to using your saw safely and more effectively. You'll be glad you did. Hope to see you over in the masterclass. Until then, I'm out of here. Cheers.